Hi, I welcome all of you in third part of my video in which we will going to discuss the data, hypothesis and step by step performing the Pearson correlation test. So one of my variable is house area that is represented by X and my second variable is house price that is represented by Y. I will perform the regression analysis in the coming videos. So X is my independent variable and Y is my dependent variable. The house price depend upon the house area. We have 10 observation and N is equal to 10. After looking at the data, the next step is the formulation of the hypothesis. Then we will do the mathematical calculations. So there are two hypotheses. One of them is null hypothesis. There will be an equality symbol in the null hypothesis always, and there is inequality symbol in the alternate hypothesis. There may be symbol that sometimes use that greater than or less than symbol may sometimes use in the alternate hypothesis also. So now I will talk about the null hypothesis. Null hypothesis says that there is no statistically significant relationship between house area and house price. The alternate hypothesis will always be in the contrast of the statement of null hypothesis. There is a statistically significant relationship between house area and house price, and you can say that rho is not equal to 0 or rho is greater than 0 or this rho symbol is less or rho correlation coefficient is less than 0. Sometimes we also represent we use R in place of this rho symbol. So it's up to you people that either you can use R or rho symbol. The next step is take the sum of all of the X values from 245 till 255 and you will get 28 and 65. However, if you want to write it in assignments or in exam, so write the first value 245, then second value 312. After that, insert 3 dots and then write this last value 255 and you will get the result equal to 2865. This result will then subsequently used in the mean calculations. The formula for the mean is summation of X divided by N. Summation of X calculated 2865 where I have 10 observation, N is equal to 10 and I will get the answer is equal to 286.5. I will write 286.5. Likewise, I have to do the same calculation for the Y. So in the calculation for the Y, I've written the first value 140, then the second value 160. After that, again plus symbol, 3 dots, then plus sign. After that, this last value 170. This will be equal to 1714. Then I have take this mean of Y. So summation Y divided by N. Summation Y is equal to 1714 divided by N is equal to 10. We have 10 observation. I got 171.4. So the next step is the calculation of X minus X bar. This term, I have X values in this column. All these values are X, or sometimes we call them Xi, where I means ith observation. I can be 1, 2 till any value 10. For example, I say that X7. So X7 will be equal to my 7th value 405. Likewise, what I did E3 minus $sign, again $sign E16. I'm solving this question in the Excel, so that's why there is a cell symbol. However, if you want to do it in the register, so what you will do, you will write this E3 means this value that has been the blue row, your blue cell 245 minus E16. E16 is this value in the red, so I will write here 286.5. okay, and then we will get the answer upon pressing the enter button. So upon pressing the button, I got minus 41.5. However, if I do for the second, so this is my X2 value 312 minus this is my mean 286.5, and then you can do the calculation in the calculator. If you want to do this calculation in the Excel, then click on this lower right corner, this button, and drag it down till the end of the cell and you get all of the values in a fraction of second. You can see that all of the values has been calculated. Let's suppose how this value 37.5 is calculated. So this in front of this I have X8. So X8 is 324 minus 286.5, that is the mean. So I will write here 286.5 and we will get the answer 37.5. So for we have calculated x minus x bar.